Andhra Pradesh's Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, who has drawn sharp criticism for remarks seen as endorsing a violent statement made by a supporter of his party. Now, this is, with reference to Jagan Mohan Reddy's use of the phrase. That is what, Chandrababu Naidu has questioned whether this meant that he would kill people in real life too. He slammed the psychological outlook, stating his condolences to us are instigating violence. That is the claim that is being made by the Chief Minister of the state. Uma getting us the very latest on this, but first listen in to what was really said.
జాతరలో పొట్టేళ్ల తలకాయలు కోసినట్టు
రప్ప రప్ప రప్ప
రప్ప ఏంది రపా 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 నరికేస్తాం. అది ఒక పోస్టరా? సినిమా డైలాగులు పెట్టినా కూడా తప్పేనా? అసలు డెమోక్రసీలో ఉన్నామా, డెమోక్రసీలో లేమా స్వామి మనం? ఇది నాకు అర్థం కాదన్నా. టీడీపీని రపా రపా కోసేస్తానని కూడా అంటున్నాడని కూడా సంతోషపడదాం. నిజంగానే బాధ ఉంటుందేమో కదా వాళ్ళకు కూడా. ఆయన ఆక్రోశం చూపిస్తూ ఏమన్నాడు, ఏ జాతరలో, గంగమ్మ జాతరలో పొట్టేళ్ళు తలలు నరికినట్టు రపా రపా అని నరుకుతానని చెప్పి ఆయన అంటానంటే దాని అర్థమైంది. మరి
చేయాలి పబ్లిక్ అటెన్షన్. దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఆర్ట్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇంటెన్షన్స్. అందుకే క్రిమినల్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా క్రిమినల్ బ్రెయిన్సే పనిచేస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. వాళ్ళకు నరికేస్తాం, చంపేస్తాం, రఫాడతాం, రఫా 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 నరికేస్తాం, లేదంటే గంగ జాతరలో బలి ఇచ్చేస్తాం.
Uma joining us to get us the latest. Uma, what does Rapa Rapa really mean?
Rapa Rapa Narkestam is just a dialogue from Pushpa 2 where you're talking about off with your head or chopping off your head. And there was a poster that came up in a rally, or rather a rally of Jagan Mohan Reddy that he had in the Palnadu region of Andhra Pradesh, where a young man was seen holding a poster saying that after we come to power in 2029, off with your head is what the poster said. And Jagan Mohan Reddy first claimed ignorance about what it meant or who was carrying it. And subsequently he said, if it's a Pushpa film dialogue, why is it wrong? Are we not living in a democracy that people are allowed to say that? Subsequently, media reports and pictures or photographs have surfaced suggesting that the youth who was carrying that particular poster actually belonged to the Telugu Desam. And then Jagan Mohan Reddy turned it around, saying that someone who belongs to the Telugu Desam is himself frustrated with the leadership of Chandrababu Naidu, and therefore he's put up such a poster. Of course, Chandrababu Naidu has condemned this, saying that he should have at least distanced himself from such a poster being put up, and instead seems to be endorsing the violent kind of a notion that the poster seemed to indicate. The background is that both the Telugu Desam and the YSRCP in Andhra Pradesh are very bitter, very sharp in their exchanges towards each other, and rarely civil actually. And these kind of dialogues do keep coming up between the two. But this time it also became viral because Jagan Mohan Reddy was seen doing this, saying that is it doing the Pushpa kind of a mannerism also illegal or undemocratic in this country. Back to you.